Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Elgato Wave DX microphone and I'm going to show you how can you easily unplug your microphone from your sound card and your PC. So at first we have to unplug our XLR cable from our microphone. To do this we just have to push this pin and go it out. Now we have to unplug our cable from our card. As you can see, that's it. Now, to correctly choose our mic input, we have to scroll down to our sound in our Windows system and choose microphone array from our Realtek Audio. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.